All right, let's get started. Hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. It's currently 2:27 and winds are out of the south at 2 miles per hour. Let's go ahead and get started here. Take a look at conditions out there. It's currently 85 degrees outside. And I will not be going on cam today. I've got bit by a spider on the face and my face is pretty swelled up, so I don't want to go live on camera. But anyway, winds are out of the south, out of the northeast right now at 5 miles per hour. Nice day outside. It is a bit warm out though, but it's not all that bad. I mean, it's 85 degrees. We've seen a lot worse, seen a lot better as well. So let's take a look at the radar. Let's get right to that. And there's our little front sitting down there to our south that's responsible for a lot of the rain down there that they're going to be seeing. They're going to be seeing a lot of rain down to the south, and unfortunately you can see the SPC outlook has put that risk of thunderstorms further to our south, excluding our area in North Alabama. It should remain pretty dry up here today, and unfortunately the models are trending that it'll be dry again tomorrow. Now a few areas could get some spotty showers, but overall most areas won't receive any really measurable rainfall. I mean, there could be, some light rain showers, but nothing really helpful to the ground out there. It's just so dry. But looking at our little system down there sitting off to the south, that's responsible for all that heavy rain they're going to be having down there toward the coast. Now, they're going to get a lot of rain down there. It would be nice if that system would move a bit further to the north, but unfortunately, looks like that cooler air, it's not going to be much of a cooler air. It's actually going to be just a little front come through. It won't really even be very noticeable at all. But taking a look anyway, getting on from there, the radar, let's take a look at tonight's forecast. Tonight's forecast looks like it'll be maybe a few clouds. Overall, not really that bad tonight. Lows of around 62 degrees. And then we'll get on into tomorrow. There is a very low 10 to 15% chance of rain tomorrow, lowered even more than what we first had, unfortunately. So, like I said, most areas will remain dry with only a few sprinkles tomorrow. Now, some areas further south will get some very decent rainfall, but unless you're, like I said, further south, you're not going to get much rain at this time with this, unfortunately. Let's take a look at the forecast outlook. We have that weak cool system come in. I mean, I wouldn't even call it much at all. On Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms. Of course, the Huntsville Weather Service says 20 to 40% chance of that, so we'll go with that. Highs 81 to 89 degrees, lows in the 60 to 66 degree range. Thursday, shower and thunderstorm chances even lower, 15 to 30% chance. Highs 81 to 88, lows 56, 64. Friday, sunny skies. We start to have that high pressure build in starting Friday, and that ridge will strengthen as it moves on in. So it will strengthen as we get on into even in the next week. Models are predicting we may have some rainfall late next week. Overall, though, it looks like it's going to be very dry out there thanks to this high pressure ridge that's supposed to build in over the area, as we will bring higher temperatures too. It's going to get warm out there. So let's take a look at the 6 to 10 day outlook. Of course, this is valid Sunday the 1st of October to Thursday the 5th of October. Starting to see those 90s come in there in the far northwestern portion of Alabama. Overall, upper 80s, 80, 86 degrees. It's going to get warm, which is 86 degrees right now. So it's going to warm up a good bit thanks to that strengthening area of high pressure it's supposed to set in next week, or actually by the end of this week we should start to see that kind of build on up into the area. Looking further into the 8 through 14 day, not quite as warm as what we've had it. Of course, don't put a lot of faith in the 8 through 14 day because it changes a lot. Right now though, that's valid Tuesday the 3rd of October to Monday the 9th of October. Taking a look at the rainfall outlook, well, it don't look good. Very, very below average chances of rainfall through the 1st of October to Thursday, the 5th of October. Moving on to the 8 through 14 day, it's a little bit undecided on things, but it still looks below average chances of rainfall for Tuesday, the 3rd of October to Monday, the 9th of October. So, basically, the 8 through 14 day, like I said, as we've noticed, it changes a lot as we've seen the past few days. It doesn't stay consistent. But there is models that's kind of predicting we could get some rainfall by the end of next week. But overall, just about the next 10 days looks dry. Taking a look at this for Wednesday, not a lot going on Wednesday, just a few spotty showers. Thursday, dry. Friday looks dry as well. And next chance of mentioning of any rainfall will be late next week. So the models are still a little bit uncertain about that, but it doesn't look like we'll have any real beneficial rainfall for at least the next 10 days. Taking a look at the precipitation outlook, and it kind of verifies this. This is valid October 2nd. So from now to October 2nd, very low amounts of rain, like not even measurable up here in North Alabama and Northeast Alabama. So no measurable rainfall expected, but it would be nice if it would change. But most areas will see sprinkles as this system moves on out of here. Unfortunately, unless you're further south toward the coast, 1 to 2 inches of rain a little bit further south of the boundary there. So taking a look at the SPC outlook for today, of course, it does have those threat of thunderstorms further to our south thanks to the boundary, just setting off to the south of us there. Wednesday, it moves just a bit further into our area, giving us a chance of some thunderstorms. Now, some of those could be severe up in Tennessee. Don't expect really nothing here. A marginal 1 out of 5 risk up there in Tennessee, so very low risk, level 1. Just a threat of some thunderstorms here. Most areas won't even see thunderstorms, but it's possible. Looking on into the tropical systems here, well, we got a tropical system that we are keeping an eye on out there in the ocean there. Looks like 5 a.m. Tuesday all the way to 2 a.m. Saturday. We'll keep an eye on that system there. Not a lot going on with it yet, but it is something worth watching as it does kind of curve its way on this away, so it may be a system we do have to keep an eye on. Of course, tropical systems are very hard to track. That's the one reason why I don't track them. So that being said, hope everybody's had a great day, and again, we'll keep the updates coming. Let's take a look at the chat, and let me wrap it up for the YouTube side really quick. So hope you've enjoyed the video there, and hope you'll like and subscribe to us if you're on YouTube. If you haven't joined us or subscribed to us on YouTube, we'd greatly appreciate you to do so. Thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.